Hey everybody, this is my Harrington Richardson Garand. Had a nice day at the range recently, so I'm just going to break it down, give a nice good cleaning. This is a video of me how to break my Garands down. There's two tools I recommend. You don't need them, but I always recommend them. This one little hook here to take the trigger assembly apart. You have a little wrench, looks like this, or there's other ones that look a little different, but let's take the gas plug out. First thing you want to do is make sure that your bolts all the way back, everything's clear. Just use this, quick little tug, and there you go. There's your trigger assembly out. Let's give it a little tap. Bottom stock. Now you need to get the tension off the operator rod. If you hold this good, push it down. Let the action go forward. Now you can take this out. Here's the spring. There's a little notch here. Sometimes I always have trouble with this, I don't know why. There you go. And I just take the bolt out. Take the op rod out. There's where your gas plug in. That's where this wrench comes in handy. Gas system off. Slide this forearm off. Now if you want, you can hammer this little pin out, take this off, and take this cover off. I've already had that off recently. I cleaned the barrel up real nice, so I'm not going to bother doing that. And I've already had all this mechanism out here. I'm just going to give it a nice little spray, nice little clean, and wipe down, and just lube it all back up. So that's pretty much all I do to break down my Garand in order for me to clean it after a nice day at the range. Alright, thanks for watching. Hey, this is an add-on. This is my Harrington Richardson Garand I just broke down. Just gave a quick clean, about to put it back together. Got to grease it up first. I'm always amazed at how the parts are interchangeable and how they get spread around through the years. But this is a spring-filled barrel, spring-filled bolt, spring-filled operation rod. This is an International Harvester plug. And I got a Winchester trigger group. That is something I always think is neat. Alright, thanks for watching.